Hello everyone. So let's talk about teachers. When you think of the type of teacher you would like to be, who comes to your mind? Is it the maths teacher that helped you conquer fraction? Or the English teacher who wrote great comments on your stories? Or is it the teacher that helped you discover a new sport, hobby, or maybe even nudged you down your current career path? A teacher is not someone who is solely confined to the four walls of a classroom. Actually, it's quite the contrary. A teacher is the sum total of wisdom, experience, kindness, discipline, and a lot more. She is an intellectual and a spiritual guide. A teacher mentors their students with the purest intention of seeing them spread their wings and take to the skies. One must learn how a teacher is not simply a professional. They are our friends who prepare us for the real world, who want nothing but to see us happy, successful, and unbeaten. And when we face hardships, a true teacher is always there to get us up and going. That teacher can be a close friend, can be a parent, maybe a doting uncle, or even a wise grandparent. The fortunate ones make the closest friend out of a classroom teacher, and that's a special bond between a teacher and a pupil that has no specific definition, but it is a precious gem that must be treasured forever. A teacher's place in one of respect, and every teacher who toils hard for the betterment of a room full of students is actually someone striving for a better future of the nation. They are creating future world leaders, doctors, scientists, lawyers, philosophers, entertainers, and more teachers. Let us pay our heartfelt respect to our guides always, who taught us not just maths and science, but how to never back down and hold our heads high. Teachers are the first guiding step in this big world. Without a mentor or a head, a guide to distinguish right from wrong, we will all be bodies without spirit. The small moments with these special people in our lives often leave us spellbound with lessons we may never learn otherwise. So as I told you earlier, there are some fortunate people who gets to make best friends out of their class teacher, and I was one among them. I had wonderful teachers who were friendly, lovely. I actually don't have words to describe them. They were such wonderful people. Like, I don't know what to say. And there are some teachers whom I could literally never forget. They stood by me when I needed them. I could tell them my feelings, my problems, my emotions. I could just open up everything to them. And they always stood by me, encouraging and supporting me throughout. Whenever I fell down where thought I couldn't do this, they stood behind me and pushed me forward. Teachers literally encouraged me to take risks and also to overcome my self-defeating thoughts and behavior. There are teachers who helped me speak up more in class and also have more patience with problem solving. I had two wonderful teachers who gave me immense love and support and told me to stand strong and always raise up my head. They were like my best friends more than being a teacher. There were times I felt down and felt I couldn't do it anymore. My teachers stood beside me and with love and their great encouragement made me do things that I thought I couldn't do. Their bright smiles always marked a day in my life. The bond you create with your teacher as a best friend is something very special, and not everyone has an opportunity for it. It is very an amazing feeling, an amazing relationship with your teacher, being best friend. So I'd like to say to everyone hearing me, love your teachers, respect your teachers, and always help them when they need your help. Thank you.